G'day, what if I told you that this is just Excel? They think they're typing numbers, but they're actually building an image using data and rules, just like a computer. And in under 5 minutes, your students can turn it into this. This is a quick load prep activity where students reveal a hidden picture using conditional formatting and a simple number code. Alrighty, let's get this set up. So to start with, we're going to highlight across 20 rows. So that's to T, and we've just done it up the top, so we're highlighting the entire row, column I should say, and all the rows are selected. We're now just going to move our mouse in between one of these sets of columns, and we're going to try and make it as close to a square as we can. Now you'll notice they've jumped over here and they all look like squares. So the next thing we're going to be doing is the formatting. This is where all the magic happens. So we're coming up here to the conditional format, and we're going to click on there, and we're going to go highlight cell equal to. When this comes up, we're going to type in the number 1, and over here we're going to drop down and have a custom format, and whenever we see the number 1, we want to make the font red, and we also want the fill on that cell to go red. Now we need to change the font as well, otherwise you'll see the number written through and it just looks a little bit on the dodgy side. Once we've done that, we click OK. Now leave everything highlighted, and we're going to do exactly the same thing again. This time we're going to choose the number 2, and the number 2 we are going to set to black. Now we don't need to change the font for black because it is already black, so that saves us one click. Moving on, the third colour we're going to do is going to be equal to 3, and 3 in this case is going to be yellow. So we'll make that yellow, and we'll also make the font yellow. Okay. And finally, the last one we're going to do will of course be 4, and 4 we're going to make green. So as we did before, green for the font and green for the fill. And now we are set up, ready to go. All we need to do now is, as we type in a cell, you will find that whatever cell we click in, if we type the number 1, we're always going to get red, 2 will get black, 3 will be yellow, and 4 will be green. Now we can use that to create our image. So instead of colouring cells, students are entering numbers and Excel is doing the rest. As they enter the values, the image starts to appear. It looks like a fun grid activity, but underneath it, students are using data and simple rule algorithms to turn numbers into an image, which is exactly what we're targeting in digital technologies. The best part is, once you've set it up once, you can reuse it again and again. No extra prep needed. If you'd like a set of ready-made mystery pictures to try and the Excel sheet, check out the description for a link below. If you try this in your classroom, let me know how it goes and share your number grids so others can use them too.